pollution is a common threat to health. This is where the Pure Me mask comes into play for effective protection. Pure Me is a true airtight respirator, like a gas mask. With a medical-grade silicone facepiece, it can be folded for easy storage. Once unfolded, there is plenty of space inside to breathe smoothly. The straps on Pure Me, once put on, make an airtight seal. Combined with the facepiece, it will fit people of different face shapes. Additionally, it will cause no stress to your ears and can be put on and taken off easily. Pure Me is built with minimal parts. With airflow design, air will go through the filter on one direction to extend filter life. As you exhale, air along with humidity and heat will exit through to keep it cool and dry. You will quickly find Pure Me comfortable to wear all day. It is unrestrictive yet blocks out the majority of harmful particles. As the filter is placed inside a pod, Pure Me is splash-proof that you can wear during a shower. It will protect you against air pollution, allergens, dust, dirt, and more. With its groundbreaking design, it is both lighter and smaller than respirators with comparable protection. For example, Pure Me weighs only 1/3 of the other respirator. The filter of Pure Me is modular. This means you can swap out for a new filter or upgrade to a P100 filter cartridge in just seconds. Alternatively, you can strip it down just as easily for a complete clean. The whole respirator can be machine washed. The silicone facepiece can even be washed in a hot water cycle for extra sanitation if required. With a detachable extension strap, you can wear the mask over your neck when it is not needed. Pure Me, the gas mask that you can wear every day.
Feeling too hot is now a thing of the past. The Polar Seal Gem is a wearable, pocket-sized air conditioner. The Polar Seal Gem gives you instant cooling or instant heat at the touch of a button. The Gem's neck module incorporates state-of-the-art thermoelectric semiconductors. This miniaturized system is the result of 2 years of research and development. The neck module creates the desired cooling or heating that is then spread throughout the user's body. From the small control module, users can easily switch between the cooling or heating modes, which make the Polar Seal Gem a product for all seasons. Compact, lightweight, and discreet, the Gem features a stealth mode, whereby the main button lighting on the control device is turned off while the device continues to cool or heat you. The cooling plus heating module and the control module are linked together thanks to the Gem's magnetic connector cables, which feature gold-plated tips and allow users to put on or take apart their Gem in seconds and break down the device into highly portable, pocket-sized modules. The Gem is a wearable device so revolutionary, so useful, so liberating, it will change the way you experience heat or cold. We designed the Polar Seal Gem so that no one would ever have to feel too hot or too cold again, so that anyone can enjoy the great outdoors and feel comfortable all year round. Polar Seal, comfort in adventure.
To get the most out of every training session, you need a highly visible time source to keep you moving with purpose and track your pace at all times. While phones have some great apps, they're just too expensive and fragile. Their reflective screens can be hard to see, and they're likely to go to sleep mid-workout. Wearables may work well for running, but not for workouts that need both hands. Introducing Timebirds.
Wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
We collaborated with athletes of all types to take the things they love about their wall-mounted gym timer and build them into a personal device. The result is a solid timer that feels great to hold and looks at home wherever you place it. To cover all of your training needs, Timebirds is programmed with 5 versatile workout modes you can easily cycle through with just one touch. Then you simply tap the bird to start. Timebirds are small enough to fit in your pocket, but large enough to see during a workout. So they're always ready when you are. They are fitted with a long-lasting and rechargeable battery. The sleek design has been purpose-built, inside and out, to survive the sweatiest environments. The components have been securely encased in a hard-wearing rubber skin and sealed with a scratch-resistant lens. The powerful LEDs illuminate the display, and an anti-glare treatment increases overall visibility. While its base dimensions enable Timebirds to stand independently, the built-in magnetic spine allows you to simply display it wherever you need it. During COVID isolation, we've had prototypes in use, and the feedback and support has been incredible.
Got your uptime and your downtime, you can do intervals, you can do rounds, you can do whatever you want.
Having that right in front of you is a big difference.
It's actually really cool. You can take it travelling.
And it's much easier than using my phone.
All we need now is your support.
Hey, I'm Alex, founder of Mizu Towel. I would like to introduce you to the smartest, softest, and most durable towel ever made. Mizu combines world-famous Xinjiang cotton with pure silver to naturally eliminate bacterial growth, thus eliminating that musty towel smell once and for all. This works because silver naturally carries a positive charge. Upon contact with bacteria, silver strips an electron from the bacteria's membrane, preventing its reproduction and destroying it. But what about other non-bacterial contaminants that can be harmful to your skin and your health? Well, if you're like me, you'll do anything to stop from getting sick. What most people don't realize, however, is that towels can get dangerously contaminated. When we shower, clean our faces, or wipe our hands, oil, sweat, and residual soaps contaminate our towels. And they don't get removed unless it's washed. Meanwhile, your towel gets laced with more and more contaminants. We don't see this happening because microstains cannot be seen with the naked eye. In response, we created Mizu, a smart, self-cleaning towel with contaminant detecting technology. When Mizu's sensing areas get contaminated by oils, sweat, residual soaps, or bacterial metabolites, the color changes from blue to red to remind you when the towel needs to be cleaned. The color change is due to a special dye made from a unique blend of natural plant extracts. Mizu is made off the back of quality components. Xinjiang cotton has excellent water absorbency while still remaining light and airy. Each of these towels also has a twisted yarn weave, which minimizes dry time, promotes the circulation of oxygen, and also remains ultra soft and comfortable. Mizu is Japanese for water, and water is very important in the creation of a towel. Imabari, Japan is the towel-making capital of the world, and their secret to success is metal-free soft water. We use the same soft water in our production process to give Mizu a luxurious softness and luscious absorbency. Mizu is also easy to clean. Just place it into your regular wash. The color will reset back to blue, and the cotton quality will unlock and get softer over time.
At Woody's, our goal is to create high-quality custom clothing that fits perfectly. We're committed to making sustainably sourced, durable clothing with incredible value. Over the past 2 years, we've been working on something new and very exciting that we think you'll love. Introducing the next generation Performance Chino. Reinvention starts with fit. At Woody's, your chinos are custom made for you. No one else. We use advanced sizing algorithms to calculate your measurements. And with all of our clothes, we guarantee a perfect fit. We wanted to stay true to the classic aesthetic of the chino, but add modern functionality. We reimagined the pockets of the chinos. There are 2 secured zippered back pockets. They look sleek and keep your valuables safe. We added an RFID pocket within the front pocket for your electronics. We've sewn in reflective tape to the inside of your pants. Roll them up and walk or ride in the dark with peace of mind. And we're using durable hardware, including a custom clasp button. The performance chinos are made for comfort. Whether you're working at home, in the office, or out exploring the city, a revolutionary stain-repelling finish keeps you looking good. Wear more and wash less. Our chinos feature smart stretch technology. They keep up with your demanding day. Fast fashion and mass manufacturing have taken a huge toll on the environment. We're making durable and sustainable chinos, individually sewn for you. We partnered with a renowned fabric mill, and we're using sustainably sourced organic cotton. The Woodies community has helped us change the fashion industry. Be part of this movement and back our project today. For the next generation, performance chinos.